So on my screen right now, Euro USD on the 4-hour time frame. Let's do the analysis for this week. So you remember well, last week I gave a level at this point, and when market open, it goes right straight to our TP. Yes, go and watch the analysis of last week. So I gave a level here and went right up to TP. We were targeting these highs, these levels. We were here. Our stop loss was just above this level, that we were not even risking much. Our TP was here, and guess what? Price hit our level. Just, I think was on Tuesday. Yes, I think it was on Tuesday. We just matched this TP. Yeah. So nevertheless, let's do the analysis for this week. You see, Euro, where price is at right now, Euro USD is at a point of interest, is at a resistance, and you know when price reaches a resistance, because it is still fresh, so you cannot break, you go down. So we'll look for reversal patterns and sell. And we also have a trend line at this level. We have a trend line at this level. As you see, we have a trend line here. So, and price broke out of this trend line with this long candle. Hopefully, price should come back to retest this trend line and shoot to the top. Yes, price should retest this trend line and shoot to the top. We can also connect these lows, because these lows are not, they are not equal lows. They are higher highs and higher lows, like this. This is how the lows are. Higher high, higher low, and another higher high. So it should come here. So this way price should come. Yes, at this level. You should wait for price at this level. Right now, we should not just be expecting a bias to this level. When price will come down here, we'll look for reaction at this level, hopefully buy. But we should not have that strong bias that price will just come and buy right up to this level. It can just retest these levels and come back down like this, because yes, if it breaks this level, it will come back down. But if it retest and breaks above this level, it will continue to go. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame to look for our entry. On the 1 hour time frame, we have this level. It is forming a wedge, a rising wedge, as you see. It forms a rising wedge, and rising wedge, they break to the downside when they are done forming. So right now, this is a confirmation. This is a self-confirmation to me. Yes, on how I am, based on how I trade and how I do my analysis. We should be shorting this a little bit above. That's 27 pips right there. We target this one, 1:5. Nothing crazy. Just so this